Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to put a subscribe watermark on your video. And just to show you, this is what I mean. So this right here is my motorcycle channel. If you notice right here to the right, there's a little subscribe right there. So again, if I take my mouse over it, you can still see the subscribe little watermark right there. Now, I want you to understand that that is not edit into the video or anything like that. That is actually placed on YouTube, and YouTube plays that over the videos as people watch the videos. By the way, welcome to the Content Creator Tool channel. I hope you guys like this content. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Okay, so here we are in the Content Creator Tool channel. We're going to come to my name right here. Obviously, we're going to go to YouTube Studio. Right here to the left, you're going to go down and you're going to go into customization. You're going to go to branding. And if you notice, a couple things you could do here. You could change your picture. You could change your thumbnail right here. And right here, you could upload a watermark. Obviously, I haven't done it in this channel. We're going to do it here together. There's several ways where you can find pictures like this. But again, obviously, it has to be 150 by 150 pixels is what is recommended. And there's different types of files that you could use, such as PNG, JPEGs, and things like that. Now, for me, I'm going to go to Canva. I do have the Pro account, and I highly recommend it. It is fantastic. You could do so many things in here. It's ridiculous. So you could go here to your name or actually create design, click on custom, which is going to be down here to the left. Obviously, it's going to be 150 by 150. Create new design. And now here, you're kind of going to create your design. And again, don't reinvent the wheel. You can see some of the ones that are out there and you could kind of make something similar to that. Here are some of the ideas that you can see just to essentially give you an idea. But if you come up here in the graphic and you type subscribe, you're going to get a bunch of different ideas right here. And again, that is just pretty outstanding if you ask me. So I'm going to grab one of this, kind of put it right here, just like this. I'm going to make that background white. And I want to see if I could download this PNG. So actually, it's not going to have a background. Click download, and then I'm going to put a PNG with a transparent background. Obviously, I'm going to go back to YouTube. I'm going to click upload here, and you have a couple different choices here. At the end of the video, custom star, entire video. I always put entire video. I'm going to publish this. Let's take a look at how it looks. If you notice right here on my page, it's already showing, but let me click on this video right here that I just posted, and that's kind of what you have right there. You see very nice little thing right there that says subscribe. I actually don't like it as much. I think I'm going to put a bigger one just to give it a little bit more of a kick. Okay, so I actually like this one way better, so let's try to use this one. Back to the channel, we're going to change it, and we're going to publish. And here you have it, guys. So as you're watching this video right here, again, you're going to have this little thing right here to the right. You guys can tell that one's like a lot nicer. It says subscribe, kind of gave the indication of hitting that bell, and then when you hover over, it's going to give you that Content Creator Tool subscribe. That is essentially how you add up a watermark to your YouTube videos right inside YouTube. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.